White House spokesman Jay Carney said that he expects Congress will pass a comprehensive immigration reform bill that President Barack Obama will sign into law.
The great budget battle of 2013 begins in earnest, with speeches by President Barack Obama that will emphasize his economic fairness message in the face of Republican demands for more sharp spending cuts.
Actress Shannon Guess Richardson of Texas, accused of sending ricin-laced letters to high-ranking officials, including President Obama, has given birth prematurely while in custody, according to reports.